Hello, rock stars. Hey, I'm really excited about the Consultant Buzz Kit. This year, I took a little twist and turn at the beginning of the year in January and changed some things up with our unit. Primarily, this is the way that I will communicate with you from now on. It'll be email, it'll be Facebook on our private page, and it will be through videos. I will do product knowledge videos. I will do company news videos, etc. Doing a live presentation for me on Facebook is not my favorite thing. For me, it's not what I want to do. I don't like being pinned down at a certain time. My life is busy and I love the flexibility that Mary Kay offers. I also don't feel like it's an easy way to get discouraged. And I see this happen is, you go on and you've got 5 people there and you know that there's 200 people that could be there. And to me, that's discouraging. It's not encouraging. And so what I do is make these little videos. And then if you watch them, wonderful. And if you don't have time to watch them, that's fine too. Life right now is like an ATM. Attention, time, money. Attention. I can go through my emails and delete 40 and not even open them. So if you go through and delete my email and don't open it, I'm not offended. I understand what it's like. It's information overload. But I'm here when you need me, okay? And call and use me. I'm going to wind up my little beginning of the week message here. I'm going to wind up by saying I'm so excited about the Consultant Buzz Kit. With the changes that I made, I decided to put the money back into giving you products for free and rewarding you when you order. And so when I get a Buzz Kit, you're going to be able to qualify for a Buzz Kit the month before the new products are available. So it starts out at a $350 level. That was my way of giving you a little sneak peek of what's coming. When you order or purchase $350 wholesale, you are going to get a sample and lookbook and some goodies. $600 wholesale, you're getting a shower gel and a lip oil, along with the previous, what I just said for the $350. $700, 1 shower gel, 2 lip oils, and the rest of what I said in the beginning. $1,000 is a shower gel, a body lotion, 2 lip oils, and the samples. And then $2,000 is a shower gel, a body lotion, 2 lip oils, men's face wash, men's shave cream, men's moisturizer, and the miscellaneous samples. So I am excited about this, and we have several people that are already qualified at the $350 wholesale level. So I'm proud of you, rock stars. And as far as I can tell, we were number 15 again in the month of March. So I kind of tried to do a little research because I thought, well, maybe I'm not looking at it right. Maybe I just keep going, we're 15. But it said March, and it said the top 50 units in Ohio, and the Rockstar unit's number 15. So my hat's off to you. Let's just keep on making a difference. I'm here for you. I'm excited about the next 6 months in this business, and we'll talk soon.